pressure, heart, back, or head problems. You should be free from motion sickness or other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience. Expected users should not
towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and all. Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle run upload
Yep. You sit down, put your feet up further. No, your feet up here. Yep. And then pull it towards you. There you go.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5. Captured. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.